With the SpaceX IPO coming, millions of investors are asking the same question: should I buy it? It's a reasonable question. After all, few companies have captured the public's imagination the way SpaceX has. It has revolutionized rocket launches, built one of the world's largest satellite networks through Starlink, secured billions of dollars in government contracts, and created technology that many experts believe could reshape communications, defense, and even global internet access for decades to come. Hey everyone, I'm Kearney, and on the surface, it appears to be exactly the kind of company investors dream about owning. But before anyone rushes to buy shares, there's an important distinction that often gets overlooked. A great company and a great investment are not always the same thing. In fact, some of the world's greatest businesses have produced disappointing returns for investors who have paid too much for them. That's because investing isn't simply about identifying a company that will succeed. It's about determining how much future success is already reflected in the stock price. And that's where things become interesting with SpaceX. Unlike most companies that come public relatively early in their growth cycle, SpaceX has remained private while creating enormous value. Early investors, venture capital firms, institutional investors, and insiders have already participated in much of that growth. By the time public investors are given an opportunity to purchase shares, they may be buying into a company whose achievements are already widely recognized and heavily anticipated. The market already knows SpaceX is extraordinary. The market already knows about Starlink. The market already knows about reusable rockets. The market already knows Elon Musk's track record. The question isn't whether SpaceX is an impressive company. The question is whether investors will be paying a reasonable price for future growth. History offers some very useful lessons. Many of the most successful companies in the world experience periods where expectations become so elevated that even excellent business results failed to satisfy investors. The businesses continued to grow, revenues continued to rise, and innovation continued to occur, yet shareholders earned mediocre returns because they paid too much up front. That possibility exists with any highly anticipated IPO. None of that suggests that SpaceX won't be successful. In fact, the opposite is true. SpaceX may become one of the most important technology and infrastructure companies of the next generation. Starlink alone could evolve into a global communications platform serving consumers, businesses, governments, military organizations all around the world. The company's launch capabilities continue to expand, and its technological advantages remain very significant. The challenge for investors is separating admiration from analysis. It's easy to become excited about a company that's changing the world. It's much harder to determine what that future is actually worth today. When SpaceX eventually goes public, I don't believe the first question should be, should I buy it? The first question should be, at what price does it make sense? Because three things matter first: valuation, cash flow, and profitability. And regardless of how revolutionary a company may be, successful investing has always depended on the same principle: buying great businesses at reasonable prices. That's the question investors should be asking when SpaceX finally arrives on the public market. There are many investors who will simply buy the stock based on FOMO and feel the need to own it just for the sake of owning it. Other investors are hoping that this is the catalyst to their lack of investing and hopeful that this could catch them up to where they feel they need to be financially. As we wrap up, please like and subscribe for new content on future IPOs and investing. And remember, as always, please do your due diligence before entering into any investment, and please make sure that it is included in your financial plan and income plan and always serving your best interest. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the back roads of retirement.